Today I am here to introduce my personal Choluteca bridge and how it is connected with Choluteca bridge. Firstly, I would like to share some information about Choluteca bridge. Choluteca bridge located in Choluteca, Honduras. It established in 1930 and rebuilt in 1996. And after that, this bridge made best architecture for us for circumstances. But when hurricane came in 1998, Choluteca bridge was withstand and all the things were devastated that time. And because of the Choluteca bridge, river changed its path, and now it is redundant for use. So now I will share how it is connected to my personal life. When I was 13 years old, I want to be a doctor in my life, and I had obsession to be a doctor. And my family was also supporting to me that time. And my uncle gave me a kit of tools, some doctor tools, doctor kit, and said to me that if you really want to be a doctor in your life, so always be a strong in your life. Don't be a soft hearted if you really want to be a doctor. Then I have as I shared, I have obsession that time. And now I will share my anecdotal story also about this. One day I saw a rat, a baby of rat, who was a very little and who stuck in a thread. Then I thought that I have to do something for this rat, and I start to cutting thread by a scissor, and I saved his life. So this is my anecdotal story, and I did lots of effort to be a doctor in my life, but I can't able to achieve that goal. After some time, my family condition was not that much good. My family stopped supporting me. They said you have to change your goal, because if you are stuck in this goal, you can't able to be a success in your life. So I thought I have to change my goal, and I changed my stream. I selected a engineering stream, and I searched a lot about this stream. I took subjects according to the engineering in 11th or 12th class, and after some time I also faced a difficulty to get admission in BTech. And that time I also thought, my mother said, you have to do a other course. It's far better to do something without doing anything. Then I thought that no, now I will not leave my goal. I will do better in my life. I can do. Then I started searching about the engineering. If we can't able to get admission in BTech, so how can we get admission in other courses to achieve our goal? Then I searched a course of BCA. BCA is similar to a BTech. It is 3 years course, and BCA fees is also high, and I missed a 1 year also to take admission in BCA. I searched a lot, and I found a college in which college you can admission and scholar basis. Then I got admission, and I am doing BCA, and I am working in myself. So my Choluteca bridge, when I want to be a doctor in my life, I had hopes, and I had obsession also. But I leave this thing because of my family. These things was redundant for me. It is not used in my life now. So if you really want to do something, so you can do. But before doing anything, you have to think properly about anything. Don't check the positive things of anything. You should also check the circumstances about anything. If a situation will come, how will you handle and how will you do something? If you are really think that you can't handle the situation and you are just wasting your time, change your